Hello, welcome back guys to Spot Area channels here. Today in this video I'm gonna show you a tutorial how to download Brave on iPhone. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly that you have to make sure that your phone is already connected to the internet. As you can see here, I use my Wi-Fi guys, and I disable it for the mobile data. And after, if you wanna download it, you just have to go to your app store on your phone. Here I'm gonna open mine. After, if you wanna download for the Brave application, tap on this search bar at the bottom, or also simply you just have to tap on this search bar at the top right guys. I'm gonna tap on it. After, I'm gonna type for the Brave. Now tap on this button, which is search button. And as you can see, this is for the Brave browser applications that I mean. So if you want to download it, you just have simply tap on this get button beside the applications. I'm gonna tap on it, and yeah, now we just have to wait for a minute or a seconds until this processing is done. Maybe I'm gonna speed it up for the video. And yeah, when it's done, the get button before it will change to this open option guys, to this open button. And now I'm gonna close this app store application, and we'll find out the Brave application over here guys. It's already downloading. So yeah, I think it's enough from me, a tutorial how to download Brave on iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.